Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download branding templates from PosterMyWall. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the PosterMyWall website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option to create one. Once logged in, use the search bar to find branding templates. Type in keywords that match your branding needs. Browse through the available templates until you find one you like. Click on the template to open it in the editing mode. Review the features and options available within the template. If necessary, customize the template to fit your brand style. Make adjustments to colors, fonts, and images as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, look for the download option. Click on the download button to view available formats. Choose your preferred file type, such as JPG or PNG. Select any additional options, if prompted. Confirm your download by clicking the download button again. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. Your branding template is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.